Welcome, future real estate moguls. Today's insightful video is brought to you by the Center for Real Estate Education. That's recareercenter.com. Our topic of discussion is the bundle of rights in real estate, a cornerstone concept that plays a crucial role in all real estate transactions. It's an essential understanding that every real estate student needs to grasp to pass the state exam. It's the foundation that holds together the house of real estate knowledge. Now let's delve into the specifics of this concept. The bundle of rights is a term used to describe the 5 rights associated with owning real estate. These rights are key to understanding property ownership. Now let's unpack this bundle and explore each right individually. First, the right of possession. This is the most apparent right. It simply means that the title to the property is in your name. You own it. Think of it like holding the keys to your own car. Next up is the right of control. This signifies that as a property owner, you have control over the use of your property. You can decide to plant a tree or build a fence or paint your house blue. It's your call. Then we have the right of exclusion, which means you have the right to decide who can and can't enter your property. It's like having your own private island where you decide who gets to step ashore. The fourth right is the right of enjoyment. This means you have the right to enjoy your property in peace. You can host a barbecue, read a book in your backyard, or just enjoy the sunset from your porch. Lastly, we have the right of disposition. This is your right to sell, will, lease, or transfer your property to someone else. It's like passing on a cherished family heirloom. These rights are the backbone of property ownership and are protected by the law. While the bundle of rights gives property owners significant freedom, there are limitations. Let's dive into what those limitations are. First off, we have zoning laws. These are rules and regulations set by local governments to control how land in specific areas can be used. For instance, you may own a piece of land in a residential zone, but you can't just decide to build a factory there, as it goes against the zoning laws. Next up, easements. These are legal rights that allow others to use a part of your property for a specific purpose. For example, your neighbor might have the right to cross your land to reach their own. Lastly, there's homeowners association or HOA rules. If your property is part of an HOA, you must comply with its rules. You may own your house, but if the HOA rules say no pink flamingos on the lawn, then those flamingos have to go. Remember, even with these limitations, the bundle of rights provides property owners with significant control over their property. So we've unpacked the bundle of rights and its limitations. Let's do a quick recap. The bundle of rights is a fundamental concept in real estate and is made up of 5 key rights: possession, control, exclusion, enjoyment, and disposition. Each right plays a distinct role, allowing property owners a wide spectrum of control over their land. But remember, these rights aren't absolute. They're subject to limitations such as zoning laws, eminent domain, and the rights of others. It's this delicate balance that makes the bundle of rights so integral to real estate transactions. As future real estate professionals, mastering this concept is a stepping stone towards acing your state exam and succeeding in your career. Thanks for joining us. This video was brought to you by the Center for Real Estate Education. That's recareercenter.com. Remember, understanding the bundle of rights is your ticket to success in real estate. Until next time.